So, welcome back.
Hello.
In this, we have a small exercise here for numbers that we can solve together now. You can check if we have example here first. 6 plus who? So we write it equal to R likamit. That means equal to 13. So now here we can write here
46
40.
minus
40. 40.
40.
We write like 40,
46.
but we pronounce it as a 40. 46.
Okay.
Minus.
46 minus
Minus. Minus.
minu, minus
Minus.
minus
Hmm. Shugit.
yugo
Shugit.
shugitva.
So that I write here. Basically, we write Shugo, but we pronounce it as a Shugi. Shugi. Tvo.
Okay.
R. Likamit means R equal to. I write here.
Sugar
Shugi.
sugar fira.
Shugi Fira.
Shugi fira.
Shugi Fira. Okay. So the
Okay.
next one is Neo
Neo
Gonger.
into
Multiply
gonger.
6 ton.
Gonger 6 ton.
So right here 6 ton. R likamid.
Likamid etundra
Ethundra.
fetiofira.
Ethundra 40. 40.
Fortifira.
40 feet. Okay. The next example we have here, that is 99.
Et,
It will be Nitinio.
et,
Niti.
Etunun. Oh, sorry. Nitinio.
Niti. Neo. Delat. Delat means
Dilat.
division. Delat means 30.
Tretiotru.
33. So that is 33 or likamid are equal to 3.
Tre.
Next we have ethundra. Othon.
Etundra oto.
Ethundra othon.
फिर etundra
Othon plus.
tu goet.
Plus means plus. Achthundra.
Plus atundra.
Othahundra.
Can you spell this? Atunundra? You got.
This one.
Atunundra. How did you spell it? Atunundra. You got.
Othahundra shugiyat.
Shugiyat.
Always pronounce shugi as a shugi. 20 as
T-U-G.
20.
Shugiyat.
Likamid equal to
Neo hundra tretionio.
30. 30 neo. Okay. So this is our small exercise. We can go check it again. That is 46. 46 minus shugi wo. Always pronounce 20 as a shugi. Okay.
Shugi.
Written it is it ends on o, but we will pronounce as a shugi. Shugitvo or likamid are equal to shugi fira. Okay. Neo longer 9 multiply 6 ton. Or likamid are equal to ethundra 40 fira. 144. Nitinio delat mid 99 divided by 33. 33 are likamid 3. Ethundra othon 118 plus Uttahundra Shugiyat are lika med are equal to 939. Okay. So
Okay.
now we can move to the next exercise. That is, we have to answer these questions using the figures in the italic and written them out in full. So we have to, write them basically in full form. Jag bor på Storgatan 11B means I
Need-
live at Storgatan 11B. Var bor du? Where do you live?
Where do you live?
So how can
So
I can write here
are
Nitit wo.
Nititvo. Ah,
Okay. Jag bor på Storgatan 92A. I live at Storgatan 92A. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Next we have jag fyller år den 13 April means my
Mm.
date of birth is on 13th 13th of April. Nor fyller du år. When is yours?
Shugofera, November.
Fjordi November. We have learned in the last lesson that we did uh, ordinal numbers, and that
Mm.
we have to order something. So in for date we always use that ordinal numbers. We can't use the numbers that we use for counting that called cardinals. Okay,
Mm.
like
Okay.
he has mentioned 13 April. That means basically 13th April. So here we can write Shugi, Shugi Fyade, November. If I'm wrong, maybe it's the spell. Shugi Fyor, Shugi Fyade. And the next we have Mit Mobile number R 020 Shugitvo 3366. So that number is basically he's giving me, for example, number in digits that is null, who null. So that we have mentioned here null, who null, Shugitvo 33 och 66 and 66. Vad har du for mobile telephone number? What is your mobile telephone number? Can you pronounce that one?
Nol, nol,
Null,
nol, nol,
who? I can't hear you now.
nol, you,
Null, who?
6,
6.
nol, who, 6,
Hmm.
nol, you, 6,
Ton.
etnua,
Nitton, we can pronounce as Nitton. Shugif
Nitton,
44,
Jugufira,
50th.
Femmet,
50th.
50th,
That is much better.
50th.
Okay.
Okay.
Next we have Yakom till Swaria. I came to Sweden or 1900 95. 1995
This,
basically. I came in Sweden at 1995. Och
mm,
blev svensk medborgare and become Swedish citizen or 2003 and I became a Swedish citizen in 2003. Do, do, and you. So here you have two numbers that you need to pronounce.
Etusen neo hundrenitonia.
So I can first pronounce this one. Nitton hundra
Yutun
nittinio.
Yutunio hundra nitinio.
Nitton hundra nittinio.
Nitton hundra nitinio.
Okay. And the second one was Gotussen Elva.
Etusen elva.
Elva 2011. Okay.
Okay.
Have here en kopp kaffe kostar 36 kronor. One cup
So
coffee
answer
costs
is
30 kronor. Vad kostar en cup tea? What is the price of one cup tea?
35 kronor.
35 kronor. 35 crowns. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can practice a bit more. We will have few more,
Mm.
exercises relevant to this. So then I think it will help us to improve. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So that's all for today. Vi
Yeah.
imorgon. Hej då.
Around. Edo.